American Panel was started in 1963 back in Miami, and then moved up to Ocala in 1983, and we've been here ever since. We build custom walk-in coolers and freezers and blast chillers. We manufacture to probably 40 different segments in the industry.
When I came to the firm, American Panel was already a client.
American Panel has been working with Kaufman and Rawson for near 50 years.
When American Panel first moved to Ocala, we helped them get an industrial revenue bond. When they bought equipment, get them a sales tax exemption on the new manufacturing equipment, and helped facilitate estate and trust planning within the family. We've helped them with state income tax planning, state sales tax planning, business valuations, cost segregation study, uniform capitalization rules as far as having to capitalize a portion of their inventory. We've helped them get tax credits for research and development costs.
They keep us problem-free. They're proactive in making suggestions to us that will help us all along the way.
I believe strongly that business and life is about relationships. It's about having somebody that works together.
We could have selected another firm up here in Ocala to handle our needs, but the continuity is very, very important. Ken has been with us since that point in time. He remembers everything that we did from the business side and the personal side as well.
It's a great relationship.
Ken is a true mentor. He's a great friend. We plan on growing, expanding. We're looking for another generation of Duncans, and we certainly hope that Kaufman and Rawson will be there with us throughout the future.